I don't have time to turn more lights on. What? You got a puppy?
Yes!
Oh my gosh. Is it alive?
No, it's baby. Oh, look, that's what I always wanted for Christmas, but I wanted a tinted one.
What is it doing?
What you got? Okay. Okay. You open it. I'm not sure what I got. What is it? Huh? It's like chocolate. Oh. That's kind of cool. Mom, could you open it?
Just wait, let's open all the gifts.
What did I make? Green. Because and then you make it to this color. Oh, this is a painting. You paint it. No.
What is it?
It's a bud. Oh, you get markers, you color. I'm not sure if it comes with markers or what. You color it and then you put it together and it's a big home.
It's a home? You got a home? Oh, it's like a playhouse. That is really cool. That is a really cool playhouse.
Abby, this one's yours. Oh, that's not yours. Look, you open this. I can't wait to open it. Oh, it's a box. It's a box? No, it's a box. I think you open it. Open this. Okay, you open it. Okay, you open it.
What? What did Santa get you? Zebra what? He got you a zebra? Oh, how cute. That is really cute.
Oh. Abby. Wow. Let's see. Mom, can you I think those are jeans. Oh, can you open this? Mom, can you open this? Mom, can you open this? Abby. Mom, can Alika.
That's Alika. Say hi to Alika.
This one's for you. Can you open it? Here, have a look. What?
Clear this off and put it over here.
Oh, cute. Look, open this. If I could open it.
Get underneath the tree so I can videotape you.
Who's this for? For me. But this one's for me, Mom. Who's that one for? Who's that? That one's for me. Is that one? No, one of those is.
You knew,
Last year.
you knew it.
Or the year before that. Don't have the puzzle. You have a microphone. Okay. I knew I didn't have a microphone.
Alright, let me look at it so I can tell you what it is.
It's a microphone. It's a puzzle.
Alika, I think this microphone, you can use it with iPad and iPhones. It's a really cool one. It's not like the one that you got last year.
Can you open this?
One second. Do you like it?
Oh, yeah. Can you open it? Have you better stop? Roman. This one's for you. What? You see underwater. And the thing's built. Is that for me? Roman, this one's for you. And you see it all the way in your back. Now feel it soft.
Oh, so nice.
Mom, can you open it?
Let's open everything first, and then we'll open the other. Then we open them one by one.
A jacket. It's
Very
soft
cute.
too. Okay. You got opened it. I can open it. Who's this for? Who's this for? For you.
No, that's for Roman.
Oh.
What did you get, my friend? What is it? What is it?
Mom, can you open this?
Roman, I think it's a turtle. It's a turtle that puts stars on your ceiling.
I'll open it, Fifi.
Roman,
And you put it in the dog, and then it glows.
that is really cool, my friend.
You put it in the dog, and then it glows. Like it glows. In the dog. Hey, Roman, 1 second. I'm looking. Oh, and we have from Joe and Ken.
Yes.
Like that.
Let's just put this here, and then we'll open it in a little bit when we open everything else.
No. I want to open this now.
All right, let me help you. Okay, can you use your
I
foot?
want to open my puppy now. I want to open my puppy now. What's this? So you can use the water. No, not like that.
Oh, Roman? Can't battery overloaded. Ow! Goodness.
Sorry.
Yeah, it is. Can you believe that?
What? This is that turtle.
That's the turtle that puts stars in the sky.
But you gotta put batteries in it so it can glow. And then you gotta push those buttons.
We'll get the batteries in a little bit. Here,
Could someone open this?
let's open all the gifts first.
No,
there's
I
more
wanna
gifts
open
there.
now.
No, this is your bag, baby. I think it is, isn't it?
Yeah,
No.
this is my actually. No,
I'm gonna do a
that's
complete flip or
mine.
stop it.
What is it?
I've opened it. How do you make this? No, it's mine. It's mine.
No, it's for everybody. There was a tag for Abby, Roman, and Alika.
It's still mine. I'm a knife.
Easy, or you're gonna break it.
What did you get? What is it?
He's getting a knife.
They don't fit.
You can just hold them.
Oh, you have to put batteries in. Or does it come with it?
Have to go in the dark.
No, these are 3D.
Look at your son.
These are.
You're gonna stab yourself in the stomach on Christmas Day. Roman,
What?
you're gonna stab yourself in your stomach. Just bring it over here, I'll open it for you. We're gonna do it after breakfast, okay? We can't do it right now. Roman, you hear me, baby?
No, I want to open
I
it
know you do, but
here.
we can't open it right now.
From here. From here. From not my present.
Yeah, it is. It says your name on it. Guys,
This hat is cute. Could we open my puppy? And you don't have to put batteries in it.
you don't?
No. Yeah, you do. Well, it has batteries in the store.
They have red eyes if you use the flash. If you use the light, they have red eyes. They look like vampires. Oh, that is so scary.
Can I see?
You can't see because you're not there. How are you gonna see?
Then I'm gonna see.
Still on.
Oh my gosh.
Still on.
Some of the things aren't green and some of the things are.
Hi, Natty.
Go in the dark.
Merry Christmas.
How do you use this? What are these for? It's so you could turn it on and off, and on and off, and on and off. Mom, could you please open my puppy?